Hey guys, this is Marufinka one more time. Today I'm here to explain the difference between const and let in JavaScript. Let's start with let. With let, we use let to declare variable and use inside of scope. And with let, we can define let without define a value. Let's make an example. Let age. We can declare let without defining any value. As you can see here, we can just say here console log and say I am no, not I am my name is sorry my name is name, but with name is a reserved word I use in Portuguese. As you can see here, if you run, we get undefined. We get undefined because we didn't define anything for the name. Now we can define name is Mauro. If you run again, voila, my name is Mauro. The good thing of the let is we can redefine this value to another value. We can say just name equals to Aldina. If you run again, my name is Aldina. This is a good thing about the let. We can declare a let without defining any value, and we can redefine this variable to another thing, as you can see here. So with const is different. Let's just comment this. With const is different. We can, when we define a const we use to define a variable, but we must always define a value, otherwise we're gonna get an error. As you can see here, const name. If you let like this, we get this warning. If you see the warning, see, const declaration must be initialized. We must always initialize with value. We cannot define const without any value. If you try to console log without initialize with any value, we'll see what's gonna happen. And you say my name is name. We'll see what's gonna happen. We're gonna get an error. Voila, we're gonna get error because we didn't initialize with any value. If you initialize, let's say error, and we're trying to run, voila, as we can see here, my name is Mauro. The other thing that const cannot do is redefine this value. If you try to say name is equal to Aldina, and it will not work because we cannot redefine the value in const. You try to run an error. If you want to redefine a value in const, we can use this in a different way. We have to redefine the reference, not the value of the variable. You can say here details equals to an object. You can say age 32. If you try to print it, details.age, if you run this, as you can see, you get my name. Now in this case is not my name is ne, just to make to be more beautiful, I am 32. Now it is nicer, I am 32. If you want to redefine this value with const, we can make like this: details dot age equals to new value, let's say 30, and you can run again. Voila. In spite, we can say just with const If you want to redefine a value, we'll have to use reference. We can do this with object, or we can do it with an array. We always redefine the reference, not the value, because it is impossible to redefine a value in const. Thank you very much for the video, guys. I hope that you guys understand. If there is anything that is not, that you guys didn't understand, please write it in the comment and I'll try to make another video explain everything again. The next video that I will make, it's about another topic. I'll speak about the primitive types, and after that I'll make a video about the hosting. Thank you guys. Put thumbs up to this video, recommend this channel, and bye bye until the next video.